What can you do with roadside rubbish? Well, check out my trashy tool. Let me show you what I did when I got resourceful and made a tool from trash. Like bending garden hoops on the semi-truck tire I found on the highway, Route 66. No, you don't have to rescue a commercial truck tire from the side of the highway to DIY. I will share many other ways to be resourceful to build the stuff you need in your life within your own means. You can do it. We're here to help. Resourcefulmechanic.com. How about we roll that video so you can see for yourself? I think we got the clip.